Hello everyone, it's James in Japan. It is November 3rd, 2021. I am going to ride my 2021 Honda PCX. It's a 125. It's keyless. And here is the key. Just keep this near your body and that's it. It'll start. You can open up the seat and you can turn it off and walk away, or just walk away. Okay, to open it, you turn this dial to the seat, push this button. It says seat, it opens up. Its storage is pretty big. It is a fantastic bike to have. Okay, here's a footrest for the back. It has two braking systems, a front ABS disc brake and a rear brake called traction control. It's also a disc brake. And the engine is an ESP Plus, which makes the bike really fast. And both tires are Michelin, front and back. Okay, anyway, let's turn it on. It's a beautiful sunny day, as you can see.
The PCX has an idling stop option. The idling stop system automatically switches the engine off at traffic lights and other brief stops, eliminating wasteful fuel consumption. When the idling stop system is switched on, it automatically turns the engine off and on for you when you stop and start up. I always keep it on idling stop because I don't want the vibration on my butt. Riding the PCX is very easy. You'll notice by the handling of it, when you turn, go around curves, going up hills, going down hills, it's really easy. I have taken adult passengers on rides up steep hills and had no problems with the additional weight. Everything you see in the video is how the bike came, except for the backrest and the smartphone holder. The backrest was from my old PCX. I told the people at the new Honda bike shop to remove my old backrest from my old PCX and place it on my new PCX. The headlight is very bright. It's an LED lighting. The PCX automatically turns on the headlight when it detects darkness. Of course, there's a high beam as well. I ordered black, but you'll notice that it's sort of metallic blue. The whole contour gives it a very futuristic looking bike. Looking at the left controls, there's the turn switch indicator, the horn, and the low and high beam switch. Looking on the right controls, you have the starter and, oh, we're moving. On the right, you have the starter and the horn. The acceleration is very fast, especially when the road is level and when it's not wet. On the LCD display, you have an option of changing the time and the measuring units. There is a green symbol that just appeared on my LCD display. It's a bit small for you. That means that my bike is on idling stop. I prefer to keep it on idling stop.
It's really an easy bike to ride. I know it's a scooter, but here in Japan they classify it as a bike, a motorbike. You can't ride this on the highway here in Japan. You need a 150 or higher. 150 or higher allows you to ride on the highway. bike to ride. Going up hills, no problem. Going up a hill is no problem. Double riding is no problem. It's powerful enough. This bike didn't come with a backrest. That was optional. My bike, the backrest of this bike was taken off from my old bike. What the hell? Cool. There's lots of leg room. Riding, the throttle's on the right side. That increases the speed. It's currently 20 degrees Celsius. It's a really nice bike to have. Look at the chrome handlebars. To open the fuel, it says fuel in English right there. You must set the dial to this point. It says seat and fuel. Press that and that'll open the fuel tank door right there. And you see the letters PCX that lights up when you ride in the dark.
You should always check your tire pressure. The front tire should be 200 kilopascals and the back tire should be 225 kilopascals. And on wet surface, on rainy days, you should always slow down and be aware of the surface. Don't suddenly brake on wet paint or metal. You'll fall. It doesn't matter how good the brakes are. It depends on your speed.
Perfect. Okay. Oh, I forgot to mention that there's a compartment on the left side. You just press it and that opens up. You can put your bottle there and you can charge your phone. You need a special USB-C cable to your smartphone, in my case an iPhone. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.